Hello, good evening. How are you guys doing this evening? Sorry I couldn't make it to class yesterday evening again. Whenever music calls, I can't resist. Music is my passion. But anyways, what I'm going to show you today is very simple, but also effective. What we'll be looking at today is the Fibonacci retracement extension tool. We went through the Fibonacci retracement tool already, where it helps us to find perfect entry. But today we're gonna look for our take profits with the Fibonacci retracement extension tool. It is quite simple, so just pay keen attention. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I'll get to that after the video. I'll try to answer it as best as possible. So, with Fibonacci, you want to find areas where we have a high supply or high demand. We want to find a sell-off or a place where a lot of buyers are in the market. So once you have a big impulsive move to the upside or to the downside, you want to find that retracement. That's what we use the Fibonacci retracement tool for. But after that retracement, where do we set our take profits? That's where the Fibonacci extension tools come in play. Alright, let's look at this right here. Let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool first. So for example, we had high supply here. At this point, market came here before it started retracing. And notice where it retraced. Exactly in our golden zone. The 50%. Remember that the 50% is the strongest area on the Fibonacci retracement tool. We have the 38, 2, we have the 618, and the 50. Those are the area you want to look for key entry points. And normally they are areas of support and resistance. As you can see here, this point where the 50% is, we have market structure right here. So this would have been a perfect entry. Alright, so now we're going to try and identify areas where we can set our take profits after finding our golden area with the Fibonacci retracement tool. So remember, our entry would have been right here based on the Fibonacci retracement tool. Alright, so our entry would have been right at that 50% mark, the golden area. Alright, but we're not going to look at that now. We're looking at where to set our take profits. And remember that our entry would have been right at a market structure based on the Fibonacci tool. Now, where should we set our take profit? That's where the Fibonacci base extension tool comes in. You come here and you look for the Fibonacci base extension tool right here. From the moment of sell-off to the point where the market turns around, back to the sell-off point, you draw the Fibonacci base extension tool. Now, all of these areas below are considered take profit zone. These are where the market wants to go based on the Fibonacci tool. Now, let's mark these areas out and see if they match our support and resistance area. So we have one point here. Let's change that to black. We have here as well. Let's go on the day time frame so I can see a bit better. We have here and we have here. So these are places where the market wants to go. Now, let us get rid of the base extension tool and see if these matches with our support and resistance area. Now, remember now, we would have entered the market here, our golden zone, based on the Fibonacci retracement tool. But according to the Fibonacci base extension tool, these are take profit areas. Now, let's look at the first take profit 1. As you can see, this is a current market structure. We had some weak rejection here and here as well. So this is our first take profit, and let's see how much pips that would have been. From here to here, that's 98 pips. Alright, now let's look at our second take profit. Also a market structure. We had rejection there, weak rejection here as well. Let's see how much pips that would have been. From this point to take profit 2, we have 182 pips. Now, the market broke below this area of support, retested, and now it's heading for take profit 3. Let's see how much pips take profit 3 is. From our moment of entry, take profit 3 is 437 pips. It have not reached the take profit 3 as yet, but it's a possibility that it will go there. Remember, the Fib extension tool is basically giving us an idea where the market wants to go. And once these areas match up with our support and resistance, these are very probable area that the market will end up. And this area here, we have how much pips? 830 pips. Wonder if it will go down there. Alright, let's leave it here. So we're going short. Let's see if we will cover all of these pips. We'll probably get back to this in a week time. Let's leave it there. So we leave it like this, GBP shift, and see if it will complete all the points where the Fibonacci base extension tool predicts that it will go. Alright, so just a quick recap. Remember, we use the Fibonacci retracement tool to find entry points. So from the point where the sell-off begins to the point where the market turns around, the first retracement, we enter in our 50 or our 618 or either our 382. These are the areas we want to enter the market. Once we have found our entry point, we then go ahead and get our Fibonacci base extension tool. From the point of sell-off to where the market turns around back to the sell-off point, and all the areas below our entry point are considered take profit areas. So take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4. That's how you use the Fibonacci base extension tool to predict where the market will go. Alright, and remember, once it pairs up with our support and resistance, it's a high probability that the market will go there. Alright, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll try to answer it as best as possible. Enjoy your Sunday evening.